Good morning, beautiful people. Are you still using these? So loud. It's time to throw these away. Get you one of these with a high-speed brushless motor, magnetic attachment, has chip control temperature, and multiple gears adjustments, and it protects the hair. It has 200 million negative ions, so it removes the static, which is really awesome. And then let me plug it in. Listen to this. You control the temperature, and this is touch control. And they're offering a 30% discount, so you can get it for $50.